picking up nice. Picking up nice and déjale muevo aquí. Cabrón. No se quema. It's better to use the non-sticky pans too. I'm also gonna put some eggs. The egg is better to do it different, like on a separate. El huevo siempre se hace separado. Lo hace separado y luego ya lo combinas al último. Pero como tengo ya hambre, ya quiero algo, ya le voy a echar el huevo. Aquí tengo el huevo, mira. Wait, let me turn the camera off para que miren ahí. Shit. Wait, let me turn the camera. This is how we get our eggs too. In the bag. So le hice una agujería ahí y ya estoy sacando el huevo. What I'm gonna do it little by little. That way it gets cooked faster and better. All right, give me a second, guys. Let me stir it. Ya le hago otro agujero. Okay. Keep the phone. Le eché todo el huevo. So you see how the egg is on top, all right? This is why you want the fire to be really, well, high temperature. You just cook, stir, cook, stir. You don't want your egg to be super hard. Okay? Because if you do it super hard, then it's not gonna taste as great. All right, but let it sit more.